Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove or delete end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. End-to-end encryption is a security feature in Facebook Messenger that helps protect your messages from being intercepted and read by anyone except the sender and receiver. Messages protected with end-to-end encryption are secure on your device before being sent and can only be viewed by the receiver device. To remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger first, open the Messenger app on your mobile. Now, select the end-to-end encryption chat for which you want to remove. After that, tap on the name of the person or group at the top of the chat, or just tap on the eye icon from the top of the screen. To delete end-to-end encryption, tap on three dots on the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu appears on the screen. Now tap on Delete Conversation, and again tap on Delete to confirm the deletion. Now, your all end-to-end encryption messages are removed from your device, but you and your friend can start an end-to-end encryption conversation at any time. If you want to stop end-to-end conversation for all time, currently, there is no direct way, but you can restrict or block that person to get rid of end-to-end conversation. I have mentioned a video link in the description to restrict someone on Messenger. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.